Using my brush and some interior cleaner, I'm going to show you how to simply clean a steering wheel. This is a new BMW 340i. I spray it on the brush so it doesn't drip down, and I do have a rag over my pants just to catch any dirty drips. I don't want to get it on me or the seat. So I'll do half the steering wheel at a time, and you can see the dirt just dripping off. Oops. Sometimes I'll put this behind it so I don't flick it on the dash. Make sure you get in here where hands touch. You can scrub the stitching. And this is a clean rag, and you'll see how much dirt comes off. And this will keep the steering wheel leather nice longer. Get the dirt off so the sun doesn't deteriorate the leather. The dirt is what actually starts to fade and decay the leather. You want to keep the dirt off. That's the most important thing. All that dirt. Make sure you get the back side too. And if you did this every couple of months, you will keep your steering wheel looking new.